Why do onions make us cry? Onions consist of amino acid sulfoxides. When we cut an onion, millions of onion cells rupture, releasing the amino acid sulfoxides along with some enzymes. That is, the lacrimatory factor synthase is released into the air. The synthase enzyme converts the amino acid sulfoxides into sulfonic acid. The unstable sulfonic acid rearranges itself into syn-propanethyl S oxide. And this syn-propanethyl S oxide is volatile, that is, it is easily evaporated at normal temperature, forming a gas. When this gas reaches our eyes, it reacts with the substance that keeps our eyes lubricated, in the form of mild sulfuric acid. This sulfuric acid gives us a burning sensation. Then, our lacrimative gland gets irritated and produces tears.